Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a computer programmer and thought, I could never do that? It's so, you're not alone. The good news is that every professional developer started exactly where you are now, with zero knowledge. Coding is simply the process of giving instructions to a computer. Think of it like learning a new language. At first, it may seem confusing, but with practice, it becomes easier every day. So where should you start? First, choose one beginner-friendly programming language. Python is a great option because its syntax is simple and easy to read. Don't try to learn multiple languages at once. Focus on one language and build a strong foundation. Second, learn the basics. Start with variables, data types, input and output, conditions, loops, and functions. These are the building blocks of almost every programming language. Third, practice consistently. Even 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Coding is a skill, and skills improve through repetition. The more you write code, the more comfortable you'll become. Fourth, build small projects. Create a calculator, a number guessing game, or a simple to-do list. Projects help you apply what you've learned and make the learning process more exciting. Another important tip: don't be afraid of mistakes. Errors and bugs are a normal part of programming. Every error teaches you something new. The best programmers aren't the ones who never make mistakes, they're the ones who learn how to solve them. Finally, stay patient. Learning to code is a journey, not a race. Progress may seem slow at first, but every line of code you write brings you one step closer to becoming a developer. Quick recap. Start with one beginner-friendly language like Python. Learn the fundamental concepts first. Practice coding every day. Build small projects to gain experience. Learn from your mistakes and keep going. Be patient and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start coding. See you in the next video.